waxing today and I'm using the remaining wax from the last batch of sugar wax that I made. It's kind of stiff, so I have to warm it up a little bit. I'm just going to plug in my kettle. See, it's a lot less stiff now and it's kind of moving around in the jar. It's not a lot, but I think it will be able to just do my underarms for today. I also have my strips here with me. I'm just going to put everything aside. I also need this powder. Let's move closer to the mirror so I can see what I'm doing. First, I have to prep my underarms with the powder to pour this. Ooh. Ooh. Sorry if that's kind of disgusting to you, but I just had to show it. I wish I could zoom in, but I can't. So I'm just going to clean up and like try and remove the rest. My left is yellow one. Ouch. This arm gave me a whole lot of stress, but yeah, I was able to clear it. So